Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And for those who don't know, I am Sherlyn and I am a third year law student at Government Law College Mumbai. And this video is going to be about your 5-year LLB preference list. So let's get into the video. Well, so now I know that 5-year LLB वालों का अभी जो main concern है that is your preference list. एंड मैंने तुम्हारे DMs एंड कमेंट्स भी देखे डैट एक प्रॉपर प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट बता दो या कौन से कॉलेजेस पुट करने हैं, व्हाट कॉलेजेस वी हैव टू पुट एंड ऑल. सो या हियर इज द वीडियो एंड yeah, so let's start with the preference list. And the very first one thing in this video, like I'm gonna tell you like top 15 colleges that are like good colleges and that you can put on your preference list. So yes, आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा preferences डालने का try करना. Here I am telling you top 15. Okay, well, so let's start with your very own. So on very first number will be your very own Government Law College Mumbai. As you know, it is India's like oldest law college with an outstanding alumni network, and it offers excellent internships, mooting opportunities, and strong placement prospects. So yeah, the thing is कि मैं ये suggest करना चाहूँगी कि इवन इफ़ योर रैंक इज़ लाइक नॉट दैट गुड, मतलब अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ओके मेरा जो रैंक है वो इतना अच्छा नहीं है या इस रैंक पे या इस परसेंटाइल कम है तो मुझे इस परसेंटाइल पे GLC ILS नहीं मिलेगा, तो स्टिल आई वुड सजेस्ट कि फिर भी आप जो है टॉप पे GLC एंड ILS डालो. ऐसे मत करना कि उसको बहुत नीचे डाल दिया आपने प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट पे कि तो मिलेगा ही नहीं या फिर डाला ही नहीं उनको प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट में. प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट. इवन इफ अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपकी रैंक उतनी अच्छी नहीं है या आपका जो परसेंटाइल है उतना अच्छा नहीं है, डोंट वरी, स्टिल पुट GLC एंड ILS ऑन टॉप बिकॉज स्टिल इंस्टीट्यूशनल राउंड कभी कभी यू कम आउट टू बी रियली लकी एंड काफ़ी लोग अपना एडमिशन वगैरह कैंसिल करते हैं लास्ट राउंड तक, दैट इज इंस्टीट्यूशनल राउंड तक. सो मे बी देर आर स्टिल चांसेस, सो डोंट गिव अप लाइक दिस. I would suggest this. So yeah, that is your Government Law College Mumbai, and इसमें भी aided and unaided दो options होते हैं GLC Mumbai में. So put GLC Mumbai aided on first and then put GLC Mumbai unaided on second. Okay, and yeah, एक चीज़ और that is 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB दोनों की जो प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट है वो थोड़ी बहुत सेम ही होगी एक्सेप्ट सम कॉलेजेस, बिकॉज many colleges offer both 3-year and 5-year LLB programs. So yeah, well, फिर उसके बाद comes your ILS Pune. Okay, so yeah, your ILS Pune, it is like one of India's most prestigious private law colleges, and it is known for its academics, mooting culture, and like campus life, so yeah, you can go for that. Then comes your PGCL, that is your Praveen Gandhi College of Law Mumbai. Now those of you who ask me कि GLC and ILS छोड़ के कौन से अच्छे top law colleges हैं, for them I would suggest PGCL is a very good college, very very reputed. So yeah, as I mentioned, a highly reputed college with modern infrastructure, like excellent faculty and good corporate law exposure. So you can go. Some people were also asking me कि अगर corporate में करना है तो which would be better. So GLC is obviously very good for corporate, but PGCL, Praveen Gandhi College of Law, is also very good for corporate. So yeah, you can go for that. Then after that comes your University of Mumbai Academy. University of Mumbai Law Academy Mumbai. So this is like I would say a well-regarded college affiliated with the University of Mumbai, and it offers quality legal education and opportunities in the city. So yeah, you can go for this one as well. Then comes your Firodia Law College, that is DES Shri Naval Mal Firodia Law College Pune. So this is मतलब you can go for this because many students, मतलब ये इसको भी बहुत अच्छा माना जाता है फिरोदिया लॉ कॉलेज को, like a respected Pune law college known for balanced academics, moot courts and student activities. So you can get all these things here as well. मतलब काफ़ी लोगों को mooting and mooting culture चाहिए होता है. So yeah, ये सब आपको यहाँ भी मिल जाएगा. Then comes your Rizvi Law College Mumbai. So this is popular among Mumbai students for its location and exposure to courts, law firms, and legal internships. So you can go for Rizvi Law College as well. And yeah, Then next on 7th comes your Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Law, Navi Mumbai. So this is also a very well known college, like आपने सुना होगा इसके बारे में. So it offers like good infrastructure, experienced faculty and regular academic and extracurricular activities. So you can go for D.Y. Patil Law College, Navi Mumbai. Then comes your Progressive Education Society's Modern Law College, Pune. So this is a well established college with a strong academic environment and like active participation in legal events, so you can go for this one as well. Then comes your Advocate Balasaheb Apte College of Law, Mumbai on 9th. So this is again a reputed Mumbai college with good faculty and convenient access to legal institutions for internships, so you can go for this one. Then comes your Yashwantrao Chavan Law College, Pune. So known for affordable education and a student-friendly environment with regular legal activities. So you can go for this college as well. इनके बारे में भी आपने बहुत सुना होगा. Well-known college है ये, like Yashwantrao Chavan Law College, Pune. Then comes on 11th your Shankar Rao Chavan Law College, Pune. So this is also like a well recognized law college, as I said, offering decent academics and moot court exposure and experienced faculty, so you can go for this one as well. Then on 12th comes your Dr. Ambedkar College, Department of Law, Nagpur. So one of the better law colleges in the Vidarbh region, known for quality academics and experienced teachers. So those of you who don't want to come to Mumbai or Pune, you can go for this college that is in Nagpur. जो लोग विदर्भ से हैं and don't want to come to Mumbai, Pune. So yeah, this is a very famous and well-known college in Vidarbh region. So you can go for this. Well, then comes your MP Law College, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, that is your Aurangabad. So a long established institution, like with a good reputation in the Marathwada region and affordable education. So those who want to go to the Marathwada region, that is your Aurangabad side, so you can go there, MP Law College. So yeah. Then comes your Vidyapeeth New Law College, that is Pune. Vidyapeeth's New Law College, Pune. So a recognized college offering good academics and opportunities to participate in legal competitions and all legal events, so you can go for this college as well. And now let's move on to your 15th and last law college for this video, that is your Singarh Law College, Pune. So yeah, it's known for its modern campus, student activities, and it focuses on practical legal education. So yeah, you can go for this. Now I know that most of the colleges are Mumbai, Pune, but मैंने नागपुर का भी एक बताया, and I also told you about Aurangabad, so you can go for that also. And I'll also make videos for region wise colleges, separate videos, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Now again, one thing I want to specify is that कि देखो ऐसे मत करना कि यही जो मैंने बताया यही एक प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट है, यही डालेंगे हम सेम टू सेम. नो, डोंट डू दिस. ऐसा नहीं है कि यही एक प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट है. According to your please consider all of the things, अच्छे से रिसर्च करो प्रॉपर, बिकॉज कीप दैट इन माइंड कि आपको 5 साल इस कॉलेज में रहना है टिल योर ग्रेजुएशन. ओके, सो यस, ये मैंने 3 years के लिए भी बताया था, एंड अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. सो या, द थिंग इज कि कंसिडर योर अफोर्डेबिलिटी, योर लोकेशन, डिस्टेंस, फूड, हॉस्टल, आपको जो भी जैसे चाहिए वो सारी चीज़ें कंसिडर करने के बाद अपने हिसाब से अपनी प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट बनाओ. ये बस मैंने, दिस इज़ जस्ट फॉर योर हेल्प, या जो आपको काफ़ी लोगों को कन्फ्यूजन था कि कौन से कॉलेजेस डाले एंड ऑल. सो या, दिस इज लाइक अ जनरल आइडियल लिस्ट, ऐसी होनी चाहिए. दिस इज लाइक अ जनरल लिस्ट, बट इसमें से आप हेल्प ले सकते हो अगर आपको नहीं समझ रहा है कौन से कॉलेजेस डालने हैं एंड ऑल. बट एकदम ऐसे मत करना कि यही एक लिस्ट है, यही डाल देंगे सेम टू सेम. नहीं, अपने हिसाब से सारी चीज़ें कंसिडर करने के बाद अपनी एक प्रॉपर प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट बना के देन यू पुट इट. एंड या, अगेन प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट के बारे में जो मैं हमेशा अवेयर करती हूँ कि प्लीज़ प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट बहुत अच्छे से फिल करना, कोई गलती मत करना, बिकॉज अच्छे परसेंटाइल लाने के बाद भी आप अपनी सीट खो सकते हो जस्ट बिकॉज आपने प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट प्रॉपरली नहीं भरी, आप प्रेफरेंस कॉलेजेस के आपने प्रॉपरली नहीं दिए. सो जो कॉलेज जिस नंबर पे होना चाहिए, जो कॉलेज आपका ज़्यादा प्रेफर्ड है, प्रॉपरली वैसे डालो. एंड यस, डोंट पैनिक. एंड For any queries, you can comment below or connect with me on Instagram. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful content, and make sure to like the video. I'll meet you guys in next video. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye. Thanks for watching.